Well, so here we are looking out on the grass from the dash of the coach. We're ready to head out of Hearthside Grove for the season. Give you a little view. Got some trees changing color. It's about 42 degrees this morning. And just wanted to share this little experience with you as we get ready to move. Randy's outside. He's going to dump the tanks. And I will be putting in the slides. Let's rev it up. So currently we are staying in a double slide. So just 2 slides to move in today. Here comes the salon slide. You can hear the button, or the beeping I should say, because Randy's disconnected the power. The short cord, and we're just that much closer to hitting the road. And here he comes. Woo! I do love this Michigan weather, I have to say. I know everyone loves the warm, but there's something about these falls up here. I think he's done this a few hundred times. Y'all can't see me, but I am giving him the thumbs up. No traffic. Look at how tight. Woo! Loving it. You go, Randy, you go! This is awesome. And he's off. And again, I'm just praying he stops so he doesn't forget me. That beautiful sky. Love it. All right, I'm gonna head over to the Tahoe here. We're gonna hook it all up. We'll be hitting the road. All right, we're all hooked up. Went through our checklist twice. And so now we're gonna try out the blinkers. That one's good. That one's good. Make sure these wheels are rolling. Looks like we got her. Very cool. Literally. All right, I gotta go catch up. All right, Randy, you ready?
Wheels are rolling.
Are you going to be sad?
I'm sad.
I know you love Hearthside.
Very sad. Last day at Hearthside Grove.
Yeah.
It's been a great season.
Lots of great friends. Oh my gosh. Hello to everyone out there. We had so much fun with you this season. And where are we off to after this?
We're heading to Branson, Missouri to the Proud Rally.
Yes.
So we're hitting the road next week.
Looks like great weather. I've been watching.
Yeah, so excited about that, and we'll be counting the days to come back here.
Yeah, and if you have a Prevost, look up Prevost Prouds. They do amazing rallies.
Yes.
Become a member, and then we can all hang out together.
Yeah, and don't forget to look at our inventory. We've got some great inventory right now.
He never stops being a salesperson.
No, never.
All right, well, let's hit the road.
All right, keep watching Randy Dawn and Marathon Coach.